Hired mason here. Yeah. Yeah. This is a very expensive mason here. Yeah. Look. This one, I don't have an idea of this one. Yeah. Okay. Something's good, no? You see? My hired mason is a very expert. I am lucky one. I have a imported mason. Okay.